It's an example of a through oven design. There's only a couple like this. This is the Poland mines, which I have read is the only coke oven operation in Greene County. It's just over the line from Fayette County, off Dunkirk Creek. These ovens are actually in pretty good shape. The design of these were such that the coal came down through the top, and instead of pulling out the coke when it was done, they actually pushed it through from one end to the other, I assume onto rail cars. These are kind of hard to get to. I was lucky to find them today, and certainly when everything's overgrown, it's really hard to see them. Closer here to show, as I said, the through design here. One thing that's consistent about all coke oven filming is that sticker bushes are most prevalent, so it's very difficult to get down to these a lot of times. But everything's in pretty good shape here. Goes down a pretty good distance.